We are going to register hosting at infinityfree.net, which is one of the best hosting company which offers as free as well paid hostings. We are on the main page. Click free hosting and sign up now. Type your email, password, mark with checkbox and select all required images. Verify. You must agree to the terms and click register. Fine. Confirmation link is sent to our email. Open Gmail or whenever email you have. And confirm your email address. Fine. Click create account. But first, let's go to freenom.com website to see our registered domain names. Copy irakli.ml and paste here. Click search. As you see, it says that before you can create your account, you need to change your name servers with this one, otherwise you won't not able to create account. But let's continue to see what happens. Verify what you are a real person and not robot, and click create account. As you see, account creation files. It immediately detects what irakli.ml's name server is different and it is not pointing to this hosting. Okay, copy name server, go to Freenom, click manage domain for irakli.ml and inside management tools section choose name servers. As you see, this domain is connected to Headspace hosting. Just replace it with new one. Copy and paste another. The reason for this is that if one name server is down for some reason, second will be available. If second is down, third will be available, and so on. But if all name servers is down and no one working, which means what something really fucking is going on to hosting company. Okay, click change name servers and go to hosting site. Once again, verify yourself. And when you press create account, it tells you thank you. Log into control panel and you will see nice interface with many useful functions. I think this is much professional interface than previous ones. Look at right side, almost everything is unlimited, which is awesome. Go back to accounts page and click manage. Here you will see FTP account name, which is already created automatically, name server addresses and ability to change password, and even close account. Let's see what happens if I open recently linked domain. Fine, it shows me default page and tells me what everything is okay. Now it's time to upload website. Return back to cPanel and open online file manager. Open htdocs folder and you will see default website files, which is default site. Let's delete them and upload our own. select both and press delete. Click with mark, go back to see if successfully removed. No, folder is still here. Select again and press delete. Press this green icon and I think everything will be okay and empty. Fine. Now, if we refresh website, default page disappear. Let's upload website now. You can choose individual or archive files for uploading. In this case, I will choose website.zip file. And click with green mark again. One more time. And as you see, site is successfully uploaded and extracted automatically from archive. Now just refresh website and you will see that everything works fine. Close tabs which no longer needed. Well, in the next lesson we will create subdomain